Today is the day. XRP breakout. We got Brad Garland house. Wants Bitcoin to succeed. So let's analyze the XRP chart. What up, homies? It's the crypto homie. Back at you with one of those crypto videos. So let's dive right into it. But first, make sure you smash that subscribe button to stay up to date on the latest in the crypto space. So we're diving right into it. Today on Twitter, I saw XRP Rose at Rose XRP tweet out, "Today is the day, common people. Rocket ships, buckle up. XRP the standard," and finally. So we're gonna dive into why this is actually the case by going over to the charts. We're looking at the weekly. It's like, well, what do we got going on here? We got arrow here, arrow there. We got lines there. Okay, so let's just break it down. This right here is the weekly chart. We got we have Bitcoin. We have XRP. I mean, massive breakout right there. We finally got above the bodies right here of 30.5 cents. Finally happened. Thank God. So this right here, here's a big deal. I'll show you why later in the video. And we mentioned this cross right here. It's when the 21 weekly moving average crosses the 50 weekly moving average. We showed you this a couple weeks ago. This right here is a big deal, and we're going to show you why later in this video as well. But look, we got some bullish momentum. We have Ethereum pump. We got everything going. So before we get into it, make sure you smash that like button to stay up to date on the latest in the crypto space. So we're going to zoom out and see why this line right here is so important. So zooming out, the last time this line happened, which unfortunately this chart, we need the other XRP chart. So right here, last time this happened, let's go back. Look, the blue is above the yellow. Finally, the yellow got above, and look at this. Massive breakouts, massive breakouts. I mean, this right here is just crazy. Just keeps going. That's when we hit, 45 cents, but then watch, it consolidated for a while from about March all the way to December. So March, so that's less than a year, my homies, less than a year. We pumped again, this time to $3.60. Massive moves right there. I personally believe this December we could easily see a $1, possibly a $3 XRP just this December, depending on how things work out. Because look, the yellow currently, let's go ahead. Okay, we're back there. So currently, I mean, we're the yellow's above, which the yellow's the 21, the blue is the 50. So we're above it, and we're holding strong so far. And if you also look left, why did I say, when I had the arrow right here, why did I say this candle is a big deal? When's the last time on the weekly we've been this high at 31 cents? So let's just zoom out a little bit. Last time we've been above 31 cents. The last time we closed, looks like it was July 29th, 2019. And keep in mind, we're November 2020. So that's over a year ago this has happened. I mean, this is super exciting. This whole bear market, I know it's taking a toll on people. It's like, what's going on? You either love or hate XRP, but just looking at the charts, looks like we're gonna have a breakout in the near future. I mean, it may not happen tomorrow, next month, but guess what? In the next 6 months, I expect something massive to happen. I wouldn't be surprised the way Bitcoin's going, the way the market cap of crypto is going. I would not be surprised. We could potentially see 100K Bitcoin this year. It could happen. It might not happen. Obviously not financial advice. You got to do your own research, make your own decisions. Personally, I like the dollar cost average. So at the end of the day, it really doesn't matter. But I mean, it's possible. I mean, if things break out just like they did, let's bring up on the monthly. It's a lot easier to see. We're going to get rid of these for right now. So if things happen so fast, so that was that first pump I showed you guys from May, and then look till November, massive. So you just got a couple months, or about 7 months, and then a massive move again. So look at this. I mean, it went from about half a penny. The wick went up to about 43 cents, but the body came down to 25 cents. So that's massive gains right there. Half a penny to 25 cents. That's more than a 25x. So if we'd have a 25x right now from, let's just say 30 cents, I mean, imagine those gains you'd be making, my homies, just whipping out the handy dandy calculator, 0.3, 30 cents times 25, that's a $7.50 XRP. Am I saying that's going to happen tomorrow, the next month, 6 months from now? No, I'm just saying it kind of is a possibility, but I'm going to be conservative and say, $1 to a $3 XRP is more realistic. I mean, at the end of the day, still getting a $3 XRP, the body's really close on the monthly at $2. So we definitely have some major resistance here at the $2. Obviously, there was not much, it's only 2 months. We closed here, we opened there, but then we fell. So we only had 1 month, so it's not that big of a deal, but still getting through that is going to be a big deal. And looking at the monthly, we've really just been a downtrend since, it's not looking that great. But at the end of the day, we're waiting for this next thing for this candle to happen. We're waiting for this massive candle to happen. I'm personally expecting this Q4 of 2021. That's when I'm personally expecting it. Obviously, the market decides whatever it wants to do when it wants to do it. So maybe we'll see this candle in December. Maybe we'll see it in April. Who knows? But all that matters though is we're gonna get one of these beautiful monthly candles like this, and I cannot wait. I cannot wait. I don't know about you. I just cannot wait. So that's enough about the XRP for today. With this article by Cointelegraph, it says Ripple's Brad Garlinghouse wants Bitcoin to succeed after all. Yeah, I just want to say something like something here. I think there's so much hate between XRP and Bitcoin. Like, oh, you either love them both. I mean, like you love one or and hate the other. I don't understand why there's such as hate. I mean, I get it. They work with banks and all that stuff. Yes, they do. They're remittances. They're trying to do what Bitcoin's not doing. Bitcoin's not good for the small payments because unless you use like the Lightning Network, but it's not ready right now. What is ready? XRP is ready. And you scroll down, it says, from Brad, the CEO of Ripple, says, I don't view what Ripple is doing as somehow competitive with Bitcoin. I want Bitcoin to succeed, to be successful. And I think this, I know personally I'm an XRP fan, but I'm also a Bitcoin fan. I really hope they both succeed. At the end of the day, I don't think there's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. I think there's going to be a handful of cryptos that succeed. And I don't hope just one succeeds. I hope a bunch do. So when people are all in XRP, I don't understand. When people are all in Bitcoin, I don't understand. Why be a maximalist of anything? To me, you're just closed-minded. You don't want you just don't see the potential in something else. So and why not diversify a little bit? This is all very, very risky. Like cryptocurrency is now becoming more of the norm, as you see publicly traded companies holding Bitcoin. But when will publicly traded companies hold XRP? What about other cryptos such as Ethereum? So it's definitely cool to see that Brad, he's coming out and saying, hey, I like Bitcoin and I want it to succeed as well. But they also want XRP to succeed as well because they're Ripple. They're one of the biggest companies that are utilizing the XRP coin. So yeah, that's just that. Why be a maximalist of anything? And if you're maximalist of something, please let me know down in the comments below. I just don't understand why when there's all these great cryptos out there. You got so many great altcoins. You got so many great cryptos. You got Chainlink, XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin. You got BNB, Cardano. Like, why be a maxi on one of them when why not own a little bit of each? Because they're probably all going to be successful. The odds are they all are going to be, and just you trying to get emotional with one. Is it really going to work out? Is that one going to make the most gains? Who knows? It might, but why not have a little bit of each? Because then if they all work out, hey, it's all good. Maybe in the future, we'll see all these crypto in some kind of fund in the stock market. Maybe there'll be something like that. So that's my thoughts about that. What's your thoughts about XRP being a maxi on one thing, not on something else? Do you guys like XRP? You hate XRP? Let me know down in the comments below. And just keep in mind a massive breakout. We should see some nice, beautiful candles like this in the near future, maybe 6 months, like a year from now. I'm expecting one of these. Not financial advice, just pure entertainment. Smash that like button for some more, the crypto news. You guys can also follow me on Twitter, the Crypto Homie, at homie_crypto. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day, afternoon, morning, wherever you're from. And thank you so much for tuning in today. I'll catch you guys all in the next one.